Hello, I'm Ajay Gupta. I have 28 years of experience in maintenance and plant engineering, OPEX, CAPEX, Kaizen 5S. I have also worked in greenfield project, brownfield projects, and I have been fortunate enough to be MR of some of the reputed company in India. And in this 28 years of experience, I have developed a lot of systems for maintenance. So one of the system which I have developed is risk-based thinking. In 2015, ISO 9000 introduced risk-based thinking, and this really fascinated me. And when I went into depth of this risk-based thinking, I thought how good it was, how good it is, and if you are able to, really implement this in a word and spirit, it will really mitigate a lot of issues. It will really help us to, come out of a lot of issues. So I started working on the system, and slowly I developed a system of risk-based thinking, which is not just a relative term; it's in a quantitative term. So you will be able to, if you take this course, you will be able to really able to work in a quantified manner, and it will evaluate your risk in a quantitative manner and prioritize those risks and take action. Right. So risk-based thinking, I personally feel it has a ability to overcome lot of maintenance issues. It is very helpful for maintenance in specific, and in organization in general. And the concept what I have shown you is more of for maintenance department, but in general it can be used in any department. So if you are able to, if you join this course, if you're a maintenance guy, you will be able to use this upfrontly. And if you're not a maintenance guy, if you join this course, you will be able to still use this tool, because there are a lot of the whole concept in the grassroots level has been explained. I have taken this concept from 0 to 100 level. So if you are a beginner, if you're a starter, if you're a student, if you are a GT, if you are a trained apprentice, or if you are a senior manager, GM, anybody, you will be able to gain something inside out of this course. Now, I would like to explain you what you will learn from in this course. Previously, let us discuss what 9000 says. 9000 says that every organization, ISO 9001 says that every organization has to take a risk-based think approach. And they say that you have to find out the potential risk of your organization, and you have to mitigate it. So these are the three things which has to be done in risk-based thinking as per 9001. If this is implemented in a split and bit in word and split in your department, in any department, but specifically talking about maintenance, then I promise you that you will be able to come out in high flying colors. Now, what you're going to learn from this course, first you will learn to identify your risk, how you can identify your risk. Now, what is risk? Risk is a condition that has a negative effect on organization ability to achieve its prime objective. That's a risk. In a general term, that's a risk. And then you learn how to do assessment and analyze, how to assess, analyze your to which you have identified the risk, this which you have identified, and try to find out likelihood of that risk coming up. Here also I will quantify. I will give you the tool to quantify, how you are able to quantify. I have developed a matrix which will be very helpful for you to come to those risks which should be mitigated first. Then you will learn actions and controls. Based on the assessment of the risk what you have done in the second step, you will learn how to take actions, what actions to be taken, and what control measure has to be taken, how that can be done. Then you'll also learn how you can monitor how can you develop the system of monitoring and reviewing your risk, and then finally how you can integrate with the QMS. So all these things we have divided into 5 modules. The first module will talk about identification of risk. Second module will talk about assessment and analysis of risk. Third module will talk about what actions and control to be taken on the risk. Fourth module, monitoring and control review of the risk. And lastly, the fifth module is integration with QMS. if you see all the 5 modules, first 3 modules are in some, where some actions are taken, but rest are the more of documentation part. But the whole concept, if you join this course, you will get this whole bucket, and you will be, soon after completion of this course, you will be able to implement a very effective root cause risk-based thinking in your company. I promise you that. And it will give you a very good learning curve, very good insight of what is risk-based thinking and how it has to be done. So I request you all to take this opportunity to join this course. And what I have done is I will be releasing this module by module. So the first module I'm going to release. So sooner if you join, this is a early bird offer. If you join, you will get in a very optimum cost. But as soon as my 5th module is uploaded, the cost of this course will go high. So take this advantage of early bird cost module. And I welcome you all in my course. See you next time. Thank you.